Hello, and thanks for joining us. We're here at the SEMA show, hanging out in the Linex booth with 0 to 60s. Kenny Fitzer, man, you built this amazing Gladiator behind us. How you doing today?
I'm doing great. How you doing? It's been a great show so far. How about you?
We're doing good, man. Really excited to see this build over here. And tell me a little bit about this build and all these new products you made for truck gear that are going to be on sale here soon.
Yeah, so the whole idea, Linex comes to me every year and asks me for something innovation. What's next? What are we going to do next? How are we going to build something that's creative out there? But also, they want to do a whole different prototype part for truck gear. So I came up with a whole new set of designs. You know, we are, as a team, we design, engineer, manufacture everything in-house. So this year we designed a whole new hood, which is more of aggressive LED bar in the hood, something nobody else is doing. A hood, a front bumper, rockers, and some really cool doors that we want to make it something different. I hate steel doors, and I want to do some composites, something that we can do. But we wanted to put truck gear, we want to put Linex on everything as a coating. You know, as a coating, nobody thinks that this can be a green Linex. Everybody thinks we painted it. We're wrong. You know, everything can be tinted. You know, this is just a pigment that goes inside the resin that would make Linex. I mean, everything we do is Linex coated. You know, this is Ultra on the outside, 100 on the lower rockers, but really wanted to give an insane look of what we want to do. I mean, we're a design studio. We love design out of the box, and Linex wanted the next thing.
So Kenny, you're telling me that all of these products come just like this. They're coated, but probably just black.
Well, right now you can basically, you'll be able to buy them uncoated or coated, but the whole idea is the rock chip protection on Linex is phenomenal. So really you would want to buy them all coated, but everybody has a different preference. You know, when you're out here building all these thousands of cars, everybody's gonna want something different. So Linex is actually, and truck are building a product that you can buy in natural, unfinished, or finished.
Okay, so it does come in natural, but you might as well get the Linex on it, best product in that place.
Right? I mean, it is the best product out in the industry. I mean, Linex is coming out to bigger and better things. They're coating not just for exteriors like this, but bodies, you know, flooring. There's so much you can do with Linex. It's incredible on what the market value is with this product.
Absolutely. And when are these products going to be available through all of the Linex dealerships?
I'm not 100% sure. This is a full-blown prototype for them. They're going to go in production, see what the timing is, and let you guys know.
Well, thanks again for the overview, Kenny. What an amazing looking build.
We appreciate it, and thanks for coming out and give us the time.
All right, buddy. Can't wait to see this thing in the dirt. Now we're going to go talk to one of the boys over here at Linex and find out about their whole product line they got coming out, truck gear. Well, we made our way over here and talked to Brian Stewart over here. You know, we already know you guys have the best spray and truck bed liners. We saw some of the great new products you're coming out, but you also offer a full lifestyle brand for everybody to add to their trucks.
Absolutely, and you know, we're just really excited to be working with a great builder like Kenny on this Gladiator project with a lot of new products that are going to be built in the future in the truck gear line, and just really happy to show all these cool products off here at the show today.
So Linex, it's not just your best place to go for your spray and truck bed liners. You guys offer everything. It's a one-stop shop.
Absolutely. We've really worked to diversify our business over the past few years and turn a lot of our franchises into really that true one-stop shop for your vehicle. So you can stop in with your truck, get your bed sprayed, you can get any accessory that you want put on, especially our great line of truck gear products, leveling kits, wheels, tires, anything that you're looking to do.
Well, Brian, thanks again for showing us these great products. Truck gear is definitely here to stay. You guys got so many great things, and we're looking forward to seeing some of these get dirty out on the trail here in the year to come.
Absolutely, I definitely appreciate it. And if you get time, stop outside, check out our blue truck in Space V459. That's where we've got our brand new line of toppers that we're showing off here. So all of our franchises are going to be topper dealers, cap, canopy, whatever your local lingo is. But make sure you check out that. That's going to be an exciting product for our line.
We'll make sure and check that out. Thanks again. And stick around because we got more product highlights coming to you from the SEMA show.